Look at this, look at this. It's stuck on another bottle. Isn't that some crap? Now, we're getting another one.
Sold out.
Wait, which one you chose?
A1? No. A9. Sold out.
A9's obviously sold out. You can't get anything out of A9. Sold out. A8. A8 is also sold out. A7.
It's not even moving. What the heck? Really?
Get your change. Get your change, cousin.
That's so horrible.
See, the one I did was C9 and it didn't work.
All A's are sold out.
There's definitely not anything.
That's bull. That's bull. Chill.
What did we get? B9, so the other one would fall out.
Oh yeah, that's smart.
So get B9. Get B9.
Oh my god. Sold out. No, it's fine. That's cool, dude. No. Like, if we can... Funny.
Your thing is still right there too. Your messed up water bottle. Look, sold out. I mean, she's like, why is it sold out? This is impossible.
What the heck?
God damn it. How is this working? How is this working? She wanted 3.
Back up into it. Just like tap it.
Hey, it worked. Good stuff, man.
Thank you.
So that was the secret? All we need to do was smash it?
I guess so. Wow, dude. When they both fell down, they like...
You better try it. So I'm looking for some bottled water today in Costco. And 50 cents. What do I have? 50 cents. Okay. Insert coin. Okay, I will. Let's see. What do I want? Try C9. Okay. Wow, it worked that time.